All right, guys, for this next part, what we're going to do is upload the images to the Shopify store and replace them from each product. In order to do that, you're going to use the replace remote images script. It's going to create a backup of your downloaded images folder. Last time we renamed them, and before that we compressed them, resized them, and converted them. Now we'll be uploading them. Here we have our folder with the renamed images after we ran them through the Gemini API. Now that we have renamed them using the Gemini API, we're going to upload them to the Shopify store and replace the images for the products in the store. To do that, we use the file upload mechanism which they have implemented, which is uploading a stage file. You create a stage upload request, which comes back with an upload URL and a resource URL. You'll be using these in order to create the file in the store. Here we are creating the file with a file create request, which it uses the resource URL, the alt text that we generated. By the way, the alt text is currently being generated here using the file name. After that, we're going to change it so that it also uses the Gemini API. Now that we create the file request, the create file request, that comes back with a status for a file. It's usually processing when you just uploaded or processing, as you see here. So we run this while loop so that we can tell whenever it's in the ready status. We'll break out of the while loop and stop making requests. And after that, when it's ready, then we'll go ahead and attach the image, the media to the product ID. So if you notice here, the main execution loop is this for loop that we have, which goes through this image URLs file that we generated in the extract images script from our store. So that loops through each of those media images that we already have, which they all belong to a product. And then it replaces them using the GraphQL API from Shopify. I was in the middle of doing something, so now let's run it for all of our products, and that will get logged here in the upload logs. So if we go to our store and we go to products, and you sort by updated, we're gonna see the products being updated with the new image, with the new alt text and the new file name that we just generated. alt text, and the new dimensions that we specified earlier. And you will also notice the image is resized, compressed. And this is still replacing files. All right, if you guys want to contribute to the GitHub repository, I will leave a link in the description. And if you guys have any suggestions, please go ahead and make them known in the comment section or in the repository.